So today I'm going to be showing you how to get Bonelab code mods. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is download Shizuku. I don't know if it's fixed yet. I don't really know how to fix it, but just search it up, please, because I don't know how to do that. And ZArchiver. I mean, you don't really need to download CX File Explorer. So yeah, don't do that. And then you want Lemon Loader. So just search up ZArchiver. Just search up all the stuff. So search up Melon Loader downloader. It's on GitHub. Search up ZArchiver downloader and Shizuku downloader. Those will be on Android something. So after you've done that, oh yeah, hold on, one last thing you'll need. You will also need Activity Launcher. So search that up too. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you can, I'm just gonna say it anyway. So you're gonna want to go to settings, launch activity. So from here, I don't know if you can see what I'm saying, but once you go into, what the heck? Once you go into settings, you're going to want to scroll all the way down. Alright, so click about headset, click about headset and then click build number 10 times. Then it'll say, if you're a developer already, it'll say you are already a developer, or it'll say you are now a developer. Then right above about headset should say system. After you're in system, you want to scroll down until you see developer options. Click on that. You want to scroll down until you see debugging. So you should see USB debugging, wireless debugging, and disable ADB authorization timeout. Put those all on. Once you go to wireless debugging, it should say allow, don't allow, or allow while using this network. You could click any one, but don't allow, unless you, again, don't want to do this. Then you want to go to Shizuku, if I could find it. Once you're in Shizuku, hello? Okay, there. Once you're in Shizuku, it should say something like start via wireless debugging. It doesn't work unless you pair. So you're gonna want to click pair. Alright, Shizuku I've already done, so it's kind of broken for me. That I don't know how to do. But basically, you would want to pair Shizuku to the activity launcher with your stuff, with a code. Then after that, you want to go to ZArchiver. You want to go to settings. You want to go to root. And you want to type a root access and add Shizuku to there. Again, my Shizuku is kind of broken. I mean, it's fixed, but it's broken at the same time. So after that, you do want to go into Melon Loader. Once you're in Melon Loader, because again, you have to install Melon Loader. Once you're in Melon Loader, go back to ZArchiver. You should have actually two of these up. You want to go to Android, OBB. You want to scroll down until you see stress level 0 com.stresslevel0.bonelab. You want to gonna hold down the file, click rename, then make sure you don't so basically all this will be highlighted. Make sure you click off of that, this way it doesn't delete the whole thing. Then you're gonna want to add a letter. I would add Q because it stands out the most. And then you'll want to click OK. I'm not gonna do it because I've already done it and it'll mess up all my stuff. And you're gonna click OK. Then you're gonna click Bonelab on Melon Loader. Click OK. Then click patch. It'll take a while to patch because, well, Bonelab is a very big game. So you could pause this, but after it's patched, you want to hold down the file again, click rename, and then put it back to the way it was. Delete the letter that you had put. Then, after you do that, okay, I'm back. I had to do this on my other headset just to make sure it worked. So after you patch the Bonelab, you want to load Bonelab. Then after you load it's gonna take a while. You just don't quit the app though. It will load. You're gonna spawn in level 0. Yes, it deletes your data, but we're gonna get it back. Don't worry, because we're gonna put a save in there. And then wait like 15 seconds, and then leave. And then after you leave, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Thunderstore. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Store.io. It's gonna take you to this. You want to press communities at the top. And do not click Boneworks. Boneworks and Bonelab are two completely different things. So I'm just going to search it up. You should do the same, unless you don't want to. But you're going to scroll until you find Bonelab. It should look like that. Then, after you do that, you want to get Bonelib. Bonelib. Once you get Bonelib, you want to press manual download. It should have like something that says zip. Right, hold on. Like right here. Then, once you do that, you want to go to downloads. I have a lot of stuff. Oh, hold on. It starts with G, sorry. So then, it should say GNOME or something like that. Bonelib. You want to click on it once. Click view. Then you're gonna want to click the file of these two, mods and plugins. You want to hold it down, press copy. Press that green file, green arrow file. Then you should have, if you've downloaded Melon Loader, you should have a Melon Loader file. And if this is the only app you've patched, you should have Bonelab. That should be your only one, unless you've done this before. Then you're just gonna want to paste it. I'm not gonna paste it because I've already done it, but once you paste it, then you'll have Bonelib in, which actually helps a lot. Then I'm pretty sure, if I can remember this right, to paste it in, you just click the clipboard that is like right here. So here's how you get 100% save file. You want to go to mod.io. You're going to want to click get started, players. Then you're going to want to log in. I'm already logged in, so yeah. And then you're gonna wanna, oh yeah, this is my other account, not the one I created. So I forgot what it was with. Then you want to click 100 or search up 100, and then it should be this right here, 100% save file patch 6. You want to click on, you want to scroll down until you see like version 2.0.0, and it says download files manually. Click right here where it says download file. Then it should say like patch 6 or something like that .zip. Once you do that, once it's done downloading, you want to go to downloads. You want to scroll like all the way past M, and it's in your S things. So yeah, right here, slot dat or _0 save dash 73yn.zip. You want to click this. I accidentally went too far. Then you want to click copy. Go click, then click the file with the green arrow. Then click Android. Click data. Scroll all the way down until you see stress level 0 .bonelab. Click files. I have a bunch of mods and stuff in Fusion, so it'll say that. But you want to go into saves. I have a bunch of saves now, but so you should have like 2 saves up here. You want to paste the slot, and then you're gonna delete those 2 saves after you paste the slot. If you delete the saves and then paste the slot, it will not work, and the whole thing will just be gone, and I'm pretty sure your Bonelab just won't work at all. So be careful. Then once you do that, you will have your saves and stuff. Another thing I want to show you guys is this. So you want to go to packages after you were in Bonelib. So go to packages, that gets you out, and then search up ThunderstoreAssistant. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Oh no. Oh, it might be ThunderstoreModAssistant. Hold on. Oh, I'm not trying to copy. Stop. Okay, yeah, it's ThunderstoreModAssistant. You want to click this, click manual download, then go to downloads, then scroll all the way down until you find not swipes ThunderstoreModAssistant. Then click view, click, and then hold down, or not hold down, sorry. Then click the files on mods and plugins, click copy, click the file with the green arrow, go to Melon Loader, go to stress level 0, and then paste it in. And then I'm pretty sure after you've done that, you could exit out of all of this. Don't worry, it won't do nothing to you. Then you're gonna want to load Bonelab. It only does this for some people. It didn't do it for me. But sometimes it'll say restore app, like somewhere. It'll say restore app, I'll just tell you that. Maybe. If it says restore app, do not restore it, because if you do, it will just delete all your code mods. So just press open app, wait for it to load. It does not take that long. I mean, mine does, because like... So, once it loads, if my thing's gonna load, it takes a while. Okay, so once it loads, it should, if you've done it all right, take you to avoid G14, because of the save thing. Then, I'm forward. You shouldn't have this unless you downloaded Fusion. You shouldn't hear like the and you should be, hold on, you should be Polybank. You will know this worked if you will go into options and it'll say bone menu. So I have all this, so I have all this stuff, Ragdoll View, Ragdoll Player, and Portals. Those shouldn't be here. The only things that should be here is ThunderstoreModAssistant and Bonelip. What you could do with Bonelip is you could spawn items in literally anywhere where you can't normally spawn items. Because look, I mean, well, I could do that now because I can access the menu now. But normally you can't access the menu. So yeah, once you do that, and then the ThunderstoreModAssistant just helps you get other mods. I'm gonna download this. So yeah, anytime you download a mod, by the way, you need to restart your game. Don't worry, doesn't do anything. But yeah, that's how you get code mods. I'm sorry I couldn't help with the Shizuku thing. If you want to know how to do that, just search up how to get it fixed, because you do need that in order to access the ZArchiver. So yeah, that's the only thing I can't help you with, because I don't remember how to do that. But yes, you do need Shizuku, you need ZArchiver, you need Activity Launcher, and of course you need Melon Loader, and of course Bonelab. I mean, if you're just doing this to get code mods on Bonelab, it just won't work, because you don't have the app Bonelab, so it just won't work on Melon Loader or anything.